What's going on, everybody? So if you watched my last video, you probably saw or heard me talk about that I got some new fog lights. Well, they just got here. Just got home running some errands, and I go to start opening my door, and there's a box laying right outside my apartment door here. So I'm gonna get that locked again, and I've got my knife. I'm gonna attempt to open these real quick. So I can flip the... Oh, that was almost bad. Wow, they really taped this up. I want to open this because the label is like directly on top, so I at least want to get one flap open before spinning it around just to help hide the address. Less editing for me in the long run, you know. So, okay, there we go. So there's that half. Now can I just... there we go. Okay. Let me get you guys spun around here. Got my hand here covering the other part of the label. I can't get it. Going back to the knife. If I can fucking... God. Alright, well there's that. There we go. Okay. Knife goes back. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, man. Okay. So that's all mounting hardware. Oh, that's cool. AutoExtrude, thank you. What the fuck? Alright. Well, apparently if you get a set of fog lights, you get a small snack of Haribo Gunny, or Haribo Gunny, Haribo. God, I'm fucking terrible today. I cannot fucking talk. Get some fucking gummy bears, okay? Get some fucking gummy bears. Anything else in the box? No? Okay. So we're gonna push that off to the side. Wow. Okay. So I'm only gonna open one of these. These are packaged really well. These, I don't see, there wasn't anything labeled as to like be careful with the LEDs. So I'm assuming, if I can get this tape undone here, that they are already installed in the new housings, I would assume. So let's pull. Oh, oh! God, that's some thick bubble wrap too. Oh, oh, no! Let's go. Let me get into the kitchen here so you guys can kind of see this a little better. Just, oh. Okay. Yeah, that's dope. That is dope. I freaking love it. If you guys... God dang, if you guys need... Oh wow, that's all 3D printed too. Focus. Focus. There you go. Yeah, you could, that's all 3D printed. I didn't think the whole thing was going to be 3D printed. I thought just like the faceplate and a part of the bracket was, but oh, okay. That's cool. Wow. God, that's hefty. That weighs at least a pound, pound and a half. That's a hefty fog light. This sucker's meant to be in there. Wow. Okay. Alright. So there's that. Anybody want some gummy bears? Okay. So I'm gonna set you guys down here for a second. I'm just gonna fog lights, cup holders, gauge pods, emblems, vent pods, and much more. Cool. Oh, great. Well, fuck. Looks like I got some more soldering to do. Damn it! Oh well. Got some bulbs. I don't fucking know what that is. Installation instructions available at the website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video and upload it, and hopefully anybody that wants or needs to see how to do this can just plop on over to my channel and ta-da! Okay, yeah, that's a good plug. That's about like this. That's the same plug that you get when you when I got those new indicators from ZLEDs. This is basically the same plug, just different. Obviously, just a little bit different on how many wires goes into it, but it's the same. I mean, this yellow thing here, that's silicone. So that sucker ain't going nowhere, getting any water or anything inside of here. This is nice. I know the LED part isn't from AutoExtrude. It's from Morimoto, but still, it looks like a solid unit. Very solid unit. So, I'm excited to install these. Hopefully, it's February 5th. I just got home from running some errands. I actually ran back to my parents' place, and I started the car for the first time this year. It's been parked now for about 2 months. And I primed it, and she fired right up. So, I'm really excited to hopefully beginning in early spring. My mom, some of my mom's coworkers were telling her that some of the seasonal birds that usually fly south for the winter around here are already back. So I'm hoping by the time, late February, early March, we're already back to springtime weather. So that's incredible. I'm going to get these packaged back up, and sorry, Ty, but you're probably going to get those Haribo. I'm just going to say gummy bears from now on. Fuck it. I can't even talk. But, yeah, so I got to get my cousin Ty's birthday present shipped out. So I will be getting that here pretty quick. Got to get that sent to Phoenix, and it'll be all good to go. Not sure what else is going to follow this video, but this shouldn't be it. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Hey, what's going on, guys? So obviously a little bit of time has passed since that last clip. Today is Sunday, the 20th. I just got home from doing a cruise in Omaha. It didn't go exactly how I wanted it to. I mean, we all rolled out at the same time, but we were a little ways from the interstate and ended up not being able to cruise together because we all got separated by stoplights and it was a mess. And yeah, instead of all rolling as a group or in groups, you know, we all just kind of, we were just like one car here and then a mile back would be another car or two, and then another car or two a couple miles back from them, and it was a mess. But just got home from that. Looks like this week is going to be really fucking cold, so I'm going to have to keep the Supra in the garage for the time being. I was planning on throwing the GoPro on my head and just cruising around. And finally letting you guys get that POV shot that I've been depriving you of so long, but I think I'm gonna have to wrap that video here. So I got more content coming. Hopefully it'll warm up in the next couple weeks, and I can throw the GoPro on my head and just cruise around and make a video for you guys doing that. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was kind of a video, but it's something. I am going to try to make some more content this year in 21. Some more, as far as videos go, I want to make more than I did in 21. So this year should be a good year. If you haven't hit the subscribe button already, please click it down below. Hit that like button too while you're down there. That's going to do it for me, guys. Noah out. I'll see you in the next one.